Windows 11 requires an internet connection to finish the initial setup for the Home and Pro editions, but there's a way to bypass the requirement. In this video, we will show you how to install Windows 11 without an internet connection. You could easily skip this requirement via a small workaround. In the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, press Shift plus F10 to launch CMD. Pressing Shift plus F10 will launch command prompt. Type the command OOBE /bypass NRO. After successful execution, the system will restart. When you reach the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, click I don't have internet. Click Limited Setup to continue. Continue to create a local user account. Once you complete the steps, Windows 11 will finish the installation. Hope this helps you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.